guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make violin on the request of John Reza, who told me to make this. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the template. You can take a screenshot out of it. So guys, today's first shout out goes to Naseem. Thank you. So now let's cut out these cutouts out of template, and as you can see, all of these cutouts are lying over here. Then to make this body little thick, I'm using the most easiest step you can take, and which is to take a thick cardboard and attach it in between these two. So this way I'm gonna do this. And then I'll stick these two parts together for the thick body. And then this white card paper on top of it. So as you can see, this body is now almost ready. So guys, once this is done, now I'll take my paper clay and I'll start applying it on the corners like this to make it little smooth. You don't have to apply so much paper clay over here. You just have to apply a thin layer so that you can get a smooth surface to work on. So guys, today's second comment goes to Prachi Singh. Thank you so much. So once I'm done with the paper clay on the corners, as you can see, I'll use my fingers to smooth that out, and after that over here I'll apply a very thin layer of paper clay as well, just to give it a little bit 3D look. So now as you can see, the body is quite smooth enough now, and after it gets dried, it will look something like this, little bit smooth and round as you can see. Then I'll take my sandpaper and I'll scrub it off to give it look. So guys, don't scrub it very hard, just little bit, so that you can get a smooth surface to work on. And also it doesn't scrape out all the paper clay, so make sure you do that. And once I'm done with that, I'll take this tiny thin stripe out of foam sheet and I'll just use this as a border basically. And once it's done, as you can see, I've used that, and now let's start painting it. So over here I'm going for this paint, this shade of brown over here, and of course you can paint it different shades of brown. It's not necessary you stick to one color, but over here I'm painting this color over here as you can see, and then on the back side as well. So guys, today's third shout out goes to Krutika Selvam. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. After I'm done with that, I'll paint this part of the violin with black acrylic paint. And then over here I'll apply this card paper stripe over here this way. So once I'm done with that, let's work on this part of the violin, and over here I'll apply these two cutouts together just to make it little thick and secure. And then I'll just paint this part also with black acrylic paint. So guys, today's fourth shout out goes to Sadhna Jha. She's such a sweet soul. Thank you so much. So guys, now I'll stick this part on top of this, including the base also. So as you can see, this is how it looks right now. So I'll take this part of card paper again and I'll fold this little bit from the bottom and then I'll stick it over here. So as you can see, this way it has 4 holes as well, just to place the threads in properly. So I'll paint this part as well with black acrylic paint and then I'll just use the threads from the holes which I've made. So 4 holes over here will intake 4 thread strands, and once it's done, as you can see, it will look something like this. So likewise, you are just gonna do it with all the 4 holes. So guys, now as you can see, it's done, and then I'll apply a little bit of glue on these so that it can get a little bit thick, as you know. And then I'll apply these glue over here on these places and take it all the way through the violin. So this part you have to do it in a very precise way, so just give all the concentration you have to this, and once it's done you can cut off the excess threads and then secure it with glue. So this is how it will look guys, as you can see this. Then I'll take these cutouts and some craft wire as well, and then I'll apply these craft wires over here, just 2 on each of the sides but in alternative ways. So as you can see, it will go in middle of these 2 wires. It's little bit tricky to explain right now, but you can just go through a picture or see what I'm doing and you can do it for yourself too. And now I'll just apply a little bit glue over here and then a thick piece of cardboard circle, and then this another part. So once that is done, I'll apply glue over here a little bit. I'll apply it over here. Let's stick these 2 parts together. So once that is done, I'll now paint this part as well with this brown sheet. And once I'm done painting that, now I'll apply these foam sheet circles over here on the craft wire. And once I'm done with that as well, I'll apply this silver sheet over here. So silver stripes, 2 only. And then this part over here, and on top of that I'll apply this card paper cutout. So this will be the 3D look little bit, and then I'll paint that part also with black acrylic paint. And I'll paint these foam sheets too. So guys, once that is done, now I'll take a black pen and I'll draw these designs over here on each of the sides. Once I'm done with that, I'll use this craft wire and fold it with white paper. So once this is nice and covered with white paper, now I'll fold it a little bit because it has wire inside it, so it will easily be folded. And once I'm done with that, I'll apply this card paper over here and on the base as well. Then I'll paint this part completely black, and as you can see, I also have a white strand of thread, so I've applied glue to that as well so that it can get a little bit harder. And once I'm done with that, I'll paint these 2 parts in white acrylic paint. And then I'll apply the thread strands, and then I'll just cut off the excess threads. So as you can see, this is the tool which we can play violin with it. and this is the violence. So guys, this was the final video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. If you did, please make sure give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.